So question 9 says use a graphing utility to find the equation of the line of best fit. Round to 2 decimal places if necessary. So again, this is talk about using our calculator. So 10 graduates in a graduate program were randomly selected. Their grade point averages when they entered the program were between 3.5 and 4.0. The following data were obtained regarding their GPAs on entering the program versus their current GPAs. So this is going to be our entering, and then this is going to be our current. And we kind of see that up slightly, same. We're seeing they're kind of are very similar. There's not any drastic moves between the GPAs. So looks like some went up, some went down. So not much of a change there. So what I can do is enter the data into the calculator. So hit the stat button to start with. So we got to use the stat button. Now, if we go to edit, notice I still had OData in. So if I hit the up arrow, I can clear list 2, come back down, go to the L1, highlight L1, hit clear, drop back down, that'll clear L1. So now I'm ready to put the new fresh data into the calculator. So I'm going to pause here and put the data in. So I've got my data entered into the calculator. Again, to do the line of best fit, if we go to stat again and go to calculate, so slide over to the right. Notice that number 4 is that linear regression. One that's got that AX plus B. That's the one that has the line of best fit. So that's number 4. If I just choose number 4, it'll take me straight there. L1, L2, that all looks good. That's where my data was. So if I go down to calculate, so notice my A is going to be 0.03 something. And they do say round to 2 decimal places. That's going to be 0.03 for your slope. And then your y-intercept is also going to be 2 decimal places. So is that going to be 3.67 or 3.68? That 4 would say keep it down to 7. So 0.03x plus this 0.367, that looks like the first one. So have your answer. Now, if I wanted to graph this, I could hit the zoom button and hit number 9 for stat, and it'll give me this. It doesn't look all that linear. It's kind of scattered all over the place. Let's look at the R value. So if I go back to stat, go back to calculate, go back down to number 4, calculate again. Notice the R value is like 0.04. So that's not very close to 1. So it looks like an entering GPA and an exiting GPA are not really all that closely related to each other based on what we're seeing there from the scatter plot. So we have a line of best fit, but would it be a good predictor of anything? Probably not.